Are you a traveler with a passion for capturing the raw essence of a city? Street photography is the perfect way to document your adventures. In this video, we'll share some essential tips to help you take stunning street photos on your travels. Tip 1. Blending in. A shot of a photographer discreetly capturing a candid moment. The key to great street photography is blending in with the environment. Avoid drawing attention to yourself. Dress like a local and move with the flow of the crowd. Tip 2. The right gear. A montage of different cameras and lenses used for street photography. While you can take great street photos with any camera, a smaller, more portable option like a mirrorless or rangefinder camera is often ideal. A wide-angle lens is also essential for capturing the context of a scene. Tip 3. Find your style. A montage of different street photography styles, from documentary to abstract. Every photographer has their own unique style. Experiment with different approaches to find what works best for you. Whether you prefer candid portraits, geometric compositions, or abstract shots, let your personality shine through. Tip 4. Respect local culture. A shot of a photographer respectfully capturing a local ritual. Always be mindful of local customs and traditions. Avoid taking photos of people who clearly don't want to be photographed. Respect their privacy and cultural sensitivities. Tip 5. Practice makes perfect. Visual, a montage of a photographer practicing their street photography skills. The more you practice, the better you'll become. Take your camera with you everywhere you go, and seize every opportunity to capture a photo. Don't be afraid to experiment and make mistakes. A final montage of stunning street photography shots. Thank you for watching. Remember, street photography is about capturing the essence of a place and the people who inhabit it. So, grab your camera, explore the world, and let your creativity run wild. Subscribe the channel. Share the video.